Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my group will present question about annuity and trade and cash discount. My name is Amalin binti Zamani as a group leader, and my teammate consists Mikael, Azri and Afrin. Hi, my name is Amalin binti Zamani, and I will explain question 1 part A. Amir took a retirement scheme for RM 300,000 which pay interest at 3.55% compound monthly. If he planned to retire at age 60 years old, what is the monthly pension he could wish to benefit the retirement fund until he is 85 years old? First, we need to know the formula that we use in present value formula, which is A equal to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power negative n divided by I. First of all, we need to find I. The formula is nominal rate divided by the number of the time interest calculated in year, and we get 0.0355 divided by 12. Next, we need to find n. So m multiply t, which is 12, multiply 25, we get 300. Why 12? Because the interest calculated the compound monthly. Next, we need to find T. So we need to subtract 85 from his age at retirement, which is 60. So 85 minus 60, we get 25 years. Next, we just need to use the formula. So here we get 300,000, which is retirement scheme he made equal R bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.0355 divided by 12 power negative 300 divided I, which is 0.0335 per 12. And after we have solved this equation, we will get the answer is RM 1509.93. This is the amount Amir will get every month in the retirement period. Next, look at the question B. If Amir plans to withdraw 1,500 every month for his expense, beginning 1 month after he retire, what is the maximum number of equal withdrawal that he can make? For this question, we use the same formula, which is A equal to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power to negative n divided by I. Next, after we enter the value into the formula, we only need to solve this equation. We can continue to the step, which is 300,000 divided 1,500 multiply 0.0335 divided by 12 equal 1 minus 1.003 power of negative n. So 1 minus 0.6, we get 0.4. We need to find n, so we also need to use ln for this step. So we just click ln on calculator. Ln 1.003 divided ln 0.4. So we got n is negative 305.89. So we just need to change it to positive, and we get the answer is 305.89 ringgit, which is maximum equal withdrawal that Amir can take. This is the end of my part. Thank you.
My name is Mikael and I will continue the second question for part A. So Ahmad bought a car for RM 150,000. He took full loan that charged 2.7 rate interest compounded monthly and must pay over 9 years. So A, calculate the monthly repayment. So the formula is A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power negative n over I close bracket. So let's look to the box first. So first thing first, we have to find I equal to K over M. K is the nominal rate, which is 2.7%, convert to decimal 0.027, and M the number of time interest calculated in year, also have been told in the question compounded monthly, which means 12 times. Second thing we have to find is N equal to M, the number of time calculated in years, multiply T, which is term or length in years. So N is 12 and T is 9 multiplied, so N is 108. For A, which is loan price, is 150,000. Okay, after that, put the value into the formula. Okay, let's look to the number first. 150,000 equal R open bracket 1 plus open bracket 1 minus 0.027 over 12 close bracket power negative 108 over 0.027 over 12 close bracket. So secondly, we solve it, and lastly, the answer is RM 1,566.2 cents. For question B, Ahmad want to settle the loans 4 years earlier than the actual period through a single payment. So how much should he pay in this single payment? Okay, so for the formula used is the same as question A, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power negative n over I close bracket. So let's look to the box first. For the value of I is also same as question A, which is 0.027 over 12. But for N, it's different. For N, we have to find the total months in 4 years because Ahmad want to settle the loans 4 years earlier. So N12 multiply 4 equal to 48. Okay, so for R, periodic payment is RM 1566 and 2 cents. After that, put the value into the formula and solve it. So let's look to the number 1. A equal to 1566.2 cents. Open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.027 over 12 close bracket power negative 48 over 0.027 over 12 close bracket. Okay, and the answer is RM 71,176 and 30 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azri, and for my part, I will explain part B question 1. So the question is, the net price of an item after a trade discount of 12%, 9% and 2% was RM 2,670 ringgit. The invoice was dated on 25 February 2020 with cash discount term of 8 per 5, 5 per 10 and N per 30. So the first question is, find the original price of the item. So the first step we need to do is we need to write the NP formula, which is NP is net price formula. So after we write the formula, we just need to submit all the information given. So after we fulfill the information, the last answer we will get is LP, which is list price or original price, equal to 3,402 ringgit and 21 cent. Next, we move to the next question, which is find the last date to receive the cash discount. So based on the question, we can get that the last cash discount rate is 5% if we pay the last date, which is 10 days after the invoice. So what we need to do is we need to make a table to make it organized. We can see at the first column what left day on February. So we get 4 days. So we look to the last column. We want to find the last date to get 5% cash discount if we pay between 6 until 10 days after the invoice made. So how many days on March that we need to get to plus with 4 days to get total 10 days. So we need to add 6 days on March to get total 10 days. So in conclusion, the last date to receive the cash discount is on 6 March with 5% cash discount. The last question is determine the total payment on 5 March 2020 if the transportation cost is RM50 ringgit. So the first step we need to do is we need to write the formula of total payment. So based on the question, the payment of 5 March, so the entitled to 5% cash discount. So we just need to transfer the information given, net price and transportation cost. So the answer we will get is RM 2,000 ringgit and 40 ringgit and 16 cent. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afrin bin Afrizal. Today I will present about part B question 2. So the question is, ABC company received an invoice of RM 15,000 dated 1 October 2022 for the purchase of 5 laptops. The transportation cost was RM 200 and RM 60 for the insurance. The trade discount given was 10% and 5%, and cash discount terms of 6/10, 4/20 and N/30. So first, A, find the single discount equivalent rate to the trade discount given. First of all, we need to use the SDER formula and enter the discount percentage number into the formula. Then we will get 2000 over 200, which will then be converted into a percentage. The percentage is 14.5% for single discount equivalent rate to the trade. Thank you. And for question B, explain the cash discount terms of 6/10, 4/20 and N/30. For 6/10, entitled to 6% cash discount if payment is made within 10 days after the date of invoice. For the 4/20, entitled to 4% cash discount if payment is made between the 11 days up to the 20 days after the date of invoice. And last but not least, N/30, entitled to no cash discount if payment is made between the 31st day up to the 30th day after the date of invoice. So the last question is, calculate the total payment if the payment was made on 28 October 2022. So, the appointment on 28 October 2022 entitled to no cash discount. So, just use the total payment formula and insert all the information given. And we will get the answer is RM 13,085 ringgit.
So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.